Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you want to start making up to $50 per hour for almost doing nothing, then I'm going to show you on this video how to do that. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make up to $50 per hour, and you're gonna trade time for money. If you want to get some information on passive income, how to get $200 or $300 per day on a consistent basis, just click on the link in the description below. I'm going to give you my #1 recommended opportunity right here online. Now, every day I like to come out with great new videos to you, so make sure that you hit the subscribe button below. That way you get notified of all the videos that I come out with to you. I don't want you to miss any of them. Also, make sure you hit that bell. That way you get notified when I come out with a new video. All right, so I want to jump right into this. This is an online job that pays up to $50 per hour for doing almost nothing. It's really easy for anyone to do this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to come over here to Google, and you want to type in rent a friend. Now, when I first saw this, I thought this was absolutely ridiculous. I thought this is the craziest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. But as I started to get into it and I started to really dive into this website, I saw the real benefits of this. And now it totally makes sense. And it's something that you can make consistent money with. Now, what I want you to do, though, is let me just talk about Rent a Friend. Rent a Friend is a place that anybody can go to, and you can rent somebody's time. Okay, that's all you're going to be doing is renting somebody's time. Now, Rent a Friend doesn't have to be, you could think about different things that people want. Okay, there's so many people out there, and this isn't a dating site. This is not about dating. This is about just having somebody with you during particular scenarios. You think of women out there that need security. Maybe they have somebody come with them. Maybe somebody you want to, have somebody go play golf with you, or just go to the beach with you, or sit down with you and read with you, or maybe get together with you and just talk about life in general, anything like that. You got to think about people out there that need help. Okay, so Rent a Friend it's really a very unique website, and they're going to pay you to do this. So what you want to do is come all the way down to the bottom of this website at Rent a Friend, and there's going to be a tiny link down here at the bottom. I don't know why they do this. This is the craziest thing ever. But they have, so at the very bottom, I got to turn this off so I can get to it. Okay, so at the very bottom, it says, click here to become a friend and get paid. Okay, right at the very bottom. So you click on that. Now you can earn up to $50 per hour, plus meals, free concerts, sporting events, and more. Again, there's so many people out there that need companionship on particular times, okay? Now, when somebody comes here to Rent a Friend and they're looking for a friend, they come in here and they pay to be a member. Once they pay to be a member, then they can contact you. So this isn't about just anybody contacting you available. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your skills, you're going to put your, what you are good at, or what you like to do, things like that. You're going to put that into a profile here. It's a very simple process of getting started. You just sign up, and all you're going to be doing is just placing your information inside of this website. And then paid members, okay, that were on the front end of that, they're going to come in and they're going to pay to become a member, and then they're going to pay for your time. So you get paid hourly for this. So don't discount this for, don't just throw this out there and say this is crazy, because I thought the same thing when I first saw it. This is crazy. But like I said, as I got into the website and started digging around and start, putting my information out there, I realized this was a great website, okay, for people. And so if you can work it part-time, weekly you can make up to $480. You can make yearly like $23,000. If you wanted to do this full-time, we're talking $96,000 per year. You could do this if you're charging $50 per hour. And you should be charging $50 per hour per more, okay? You should be, because this is your time. You're taking your time away from whatever you're doing, your family, your work, whatever you're doing, you're taking your time away. You should be paid well for this, okay? So $50 an hour is something that you could be paid. Now, again, this is not a dating site, okay? You can't just think of this as a dating site. You got to think of this as just somebody's companion. Somebody wants to maybe go walk on the beach, or ride a bike, or just sit down and read a book together, anything like that. So many people out there need a friend, and maybe they don't want to go and find a friend. They can go right here, Rent a Friend, and it's a very popular website. So you just have to get in there and get your, you got to put your picture up there, and you got to put your contact information. You got to make sure you're a legit person, and you're you're going to be there and be helpful to other people. That's the most important thing with this is you got to go into this mindset of you're going to help other people, whatever they're doing. Okay. You just got to be able to want to help people. If you're not in the business, or if you don't want to help other people, this may not be for you. Okay. So just make sure that you understand that you're going to be helping other people in whatever they need, in their life. Okay. So all you got to do is just sign up here at the bottom, and that'll get you started. And you're just going to put your information in there, and they're going to pay you out for the hourly rate. So you can get paid per hour. I mean, if somebody wants to hang out with you for 8 hours, I mean, that's, 8 times 50, that's a lot of money. Okay. So you're going to be making quite a bit of money if somebody wants to hang out with you all day. This could be on a continuous online, consistent basis. The great thing is people get to come to you, and they will contact you, and they're paid members. So these aren't just anybody. They can just come here and just start randomly picking up people. That they have to be a paid member. So once they get paid, then they can get your information. So it's very secure. It's very, it's a very, like I said, very secure website. There's not going to be a lot of shenanigans going on in this website. So just, just go there and sign up. So all you got to do is just go to rentafriend.com. You go to the bottom, and it's going to talk about getting paid as a friend. Okay. And then you just join now to get started. That's all you got to do. It's like I said, it's almost nothing. I mean, think about that. If you go and read a book with somebody, what are you doing? You're just hanging out with somebody, reading a book to them, okay? And you get paid hourly for that. So it could be a great website for you. If you want to get some information on passive income, consistent $200 or $300 per day, click on the link below this video. I'm going to give you my #1 recommended opportunity right now online. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help you online. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.